Hello, how are you today? Hello, it's nice. Okay, welcome to the English class. Today, we continue learning about the holiday. Do you remember? Okay, it's the last class for this unit. Welcome, and continue learning about the Christmas and New Year celebration. What is the holiday? The volunteer can read for me, please. Thank you. It's a time when someone doesn't go work or school, but is free to do what they want, such as a travel or relax. Okay, for the class, and you be relaxed. I have a practice, a little game, online game, and this is. And I have this Christmas letters. You can you can find this word. The words are in top of the many words in line, in column, horizontal, vertical, and you can choose or you can find the words are in top. I found one for explain you the angel. Another can be other the bird. When you found one, and the group of letters disappears in the top. Okay, go ahead, practice and learn. You can say me when you finish. Okay, the time is over. What is the result? Okay, many words. If you want to continue practice, you can say next and appears otro letter soon, but you decide. Okay, what is the Christmas? The Christmas is celebrated on this December 25th and is both a sacred religious holiday and a worldwide cultural and commercial phenomenon. Okay, for learn about this festivity or this holiday, we can watch a video, a YouTube video for understand better. Please let me, the technology have a problem with me. Okay.
Christmas is one of the most popular festivals, which is widely celebrated by people across the globe. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. This festival commemorates the birth anniversary of Lord Jesus Christ. Christmas tree is decorated on Christmas Eve. It's an artificial pine tree, which looks beautiful when decorated with lights, artificial stars, flowers, and bells all over it. Kids are especially enthusiastic about this festival, as they expect Santa Claus to visit them and brings gifts to their homes. Christians wear new clothes and prepare delicious delicacies. They also visit their near and dear ones and celebrate the festival together. People gift cakes and sweets to their family and friends. They also decorate their houses with lights during the festival. People hang lanterns outdoors to mark the onset of the festive season. All the members of the family pray together in praise of Lord Jesus Christ. Although it's a Christian festival, the people of different communities also celebrate Christmas with great fervor and enthusiasm. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Okay. We continue. The page is amazing. Okay. Continue with the class. Okay. And then continue with the New Year celebration. Okay, civilizations around the world had been celebrating this the start of each new year for the last 4 millennia. And today, the most New Year festivity begin on December 31st, the New Year's Eve, the last day of the Gregorian calendar, and continue into the early hours of January 1st, the New Year's Day. Common tradition include attending parties, eating a special New Year food, making resolution, and for the New Year and watching fireworks display. Okay, what are the words that most using for this celebration? Confetti, midnight, party, New Year resolution, and champagne. Did you write the New Year resolution? No yet. Okay. Okay, for this, I have other video that you can see about this celebration.
New Year's Day is on January 1st in the US. It's almost universally a day off from work, and in the US, closed stores, gas stations, and other businesses are common sights come January 1st. It's preceded by some of the largest celebrations in the nation, and, weary from being up all night enjoying the parties, Americans tend to take it easy on this day. The song Auld Lang Syne is associated with the New Year celebration in the US. Do you know what this song's title means? We'll show you the answer at the end of this video. New Year's Eve and New Year's Day in the United States are both regarded as holidays, though only New Year's Day is an official one. The holiday kicks off late on New Year's Eve when people go out to celebrate in style. This holiday is marked by fancy parties and plenty of parades and other events. Celebrating the New Year across the time zones across the US is a popular tradition with those who like to stay at home. In Times Square in New York, one of the biggest celebrations in the nation is held, and this is typically regarded as the official New Year party for the entire country, though each time zone brings in the New Year with its own celebration. New Year's resolutions are popular in the United States, though oftentimes in a tongue-in-cheek way. Most of the time, people will resolve to give up a bad habit or adopt a healthy new habit over the course of the new year. It's almost accepted as a matter of course that people will not follow through on these resolutions, however, and it fits well with the tradition of American sarcastic humor. New Year's Day isn't celebrated on January 1st on all calendars. According to the Chinese lunar calendar, New Year's is usually in February. Depending on the culture and tradition, it can be celebrated on other days as well. Popular resolutions include quitting smoking, losing weight, becoming more ambitious with goals, and getting a better job. And now, here's the answer to the quiz. Do you know what the song title Auld Lang Syne means? Auld Lang Syne means the good old days, or days gone by, depending on the translation.
Okay. Okay, for continue the class, you have a question about the New Year celebration or Christmas? No? Okay, continue. Today, we are learning about the article, the definite and indefinite article. Article más noun. Los articles are a, an, and the. The nouns we can use for people, place, and thing. Definite article is the first we can learn. The word the is one of the most common words in English. Is our only definite article, no more, is unique. We use the when we have already identified the noun we are referring to in a previous phrase. And there is only one of these things. For example, the station, there is only one in the city. And then you say the station, the gas station, the police station. And when we use certain expression, especially relate to physical things such as the weather, the sea, and the environment. For example, you can see this boy and say, I need a jacket. Sorry, this is not the example. This is the example. The students are waiting for the lesson start. Definite, the student. The washing machine is broken. We need to get another one. Who wash machine? Of my house, maybe. The presentation is ready for you to check, Mr. Harper. What's the weather like in your country? Okay. And then, indefinite articles. There are 3 indefinite articles in English. 2 for the singular form and use a and n, and 1 for the the plural form, some. We use an indefinite article in English when we refer to something for the first time. We refer to a general theme and not something specific. And we describe a person or profession. We use both a and an in the same way, but we use a in front of a consonant and n in front of a vowel. And the same, a plus consonant. For example, a card, a letter, a teacher. And plus vowel, an airplane, an envelope, and an accountant. Example, for A and N. There's a cat in garden. I need a stamp for this letter. Sally is an accountant. He works for a multinational company. We need we need an apple and an orange for the fruit salad. Is there a whiteboard in the classroom? Okay. Have a question? Okay. I have the other. This is the example that have that. This boy, you can see, she say, I need a jacket. It's indefinite. What kind of jacket he need? It's no matter because he is cold in the street and then need a jacket. That's no matter the size, the color, that's not important. And the second example, this girl say, I need the jacket. What jacket? The red jacket. And then he used the definite article because the girl specific what jacket he need. Okay, and the boy only need a jacket. Okay. And for some, we use some for the plural form of all of noun and for a unaccountable. An unaccountable noun is a word that only has the singular form. For example, sugar. In the plural, we say some people, some document, some biscuit. In an unaccountable, some food, some money, and some transport. And have more example. We are some photos of our last holiday. We need some milk. Can you get a carton when you go out? Some people are sunbathing in the park. There are some fun places to go in my town. I eat some biscuit and drink some coffee for breakfast every day. Okay, did you? Okay. And for more comprehension, we realized or we did this exercise. Okay, you do, and then share with the class. Okay. Okay. You ready? Yes. Okay. I bought a pair of shoes. I saw a movie last night. They are staging at a hotel. Look at the woman over here. She is a famous actress. That is the girls I told you about. The night is quiet. Let's talk a walk. The price of gas keeps rising. I read an amazing story yesterday. I live in an apartment. The apartment is new. I would like a piece of cake. Me too. Okay. And then for the first activity in the breakout room, you can write a little story about the Christmas celebration. And you use the word in letter soup. And when you finish, you take a picture of your story and send the teacher for she can check. Okay, are you ready? Okay, you have 10 minutes for this activity and then we check it and continue. Good job. I check and I will send you your grades. And for the activity 2 is a grammar section. I will share with you this exercise. You complete and send me. Please, when you have the grade, your score, share with the teacher. Okay, I send you. Okay, you can complete this activity with articles A, N, or D. And you can see this picture, and for this picture, you complete this part. The letter A and N. Okay, complete and match. And then more activities, and then you finish. And the other activity for this grammar, you can listen this conversation here.
Page 47, exercise 4B. 1. Excuse me, is there a hotel near here, please?
Okay, you check and you write the correct answer in this space. And then when you finish, you click in this part that finish, and then you send me your score at the teacher. Please, you have 10 minutes for complete 2 activities of exercise. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys for your participation, for the share with the teacher, and for the last of the class of last activity. You can write a conversation and use the vocabulary learning in class about do celebration and use definite and indefinite articles in group of 3 person in a breakout room, and the students share with the teacher and they will perform the conversation in front of the class. Okay, this is okay. You have 10 minutes. Yeah, go ahead and share with the teacher, and then we can listen to the conversation. Okay, guys, my friend, did you finish? Okay. Okay, good job. And then the time is over. And for the last, I have the interactive game. You can, I share with you the address in the web. About this, you can check here. Mm. Okay, yes, this is You can log in here. And then you can select what is correct. A scientific claim that the vaccine is 90% effective. What is correct? Letter A, D, B, N, A, honor article. What do you think? The scientist or a scientist? Because they start with a consonant or no article. The letter C? Okay. Are you wrong? It's not an article. And then you continue. Where is there university in your city? What do you think? A, D, D, N, A, honor article. And what happened, my friend? Did you see moon last night? D, A, N, A, honor article. D. Okay, good job. Continue our 12 question and then return to the group. Okay, go ahead. Okay, good job. And this is the all for this class. When this class finish about the holiday, the unit 1, and for the next class we have a little exam. Please study. It's a little and easy exam. Don't be afraid. Yes. And thank you for attending the class. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you. I will see you soon. See you later. Do you have a question? No? All is clear? Okay. Thank you so much. Be careful. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.